Hi beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my top 10 favorite autumn things right now. This is items, rituals and little luxury that make this season feel sacred, intentional and deeply nourishing. So if you're new here, my name is Linda and this is the place for soulful living, spiritual inspiration and cozy rituals that help us feel more grounded and alive. So if you like content like this, please hit that like button so I know what resonates with you and I can create more stuff just like that. So grab a warm drink, wrap yourself in something cozy and let's dive in. There's something about slipping into a soft, structured wool coat that instantly shifts your energy. This one from Dagmar is lightweight yet grounding, with clean lines, a gentle drape and that quiet Scandinavian elegance I love. It's the kind of piece that make you feel put together even on slow days, foggy mornings. I wear it for walks, errands and creative days when I want to feel both cozy and refined. This blend of cinnamon and vanilla is my go-to scent for autumn. It's warm, comforting and just a little bit nostalgic, like fresh baked memories wrapped in soft light. I diffuse it during journaling, editing or slow evenings at home. Cinnamon brings grounding and warmth, while vanilla adds sweetness and emotional softness. Together they create a cocoon of calm that makes everything feels more intentional. Every morning I light a candle, I sip my coffee in my beautiful mug and I write like one page or so in this little journal. This is my way to check in with myself and set the intention for the day. It's also given me an opportunity to write down if something bothering me or so I put it on paper and then I can let it go. Let me know in the comments down below, do you have any morning rituals to get you started and to get you grounded for the day? I would really love to hear what you are doing so we can help each other. This brown corduroy bag has become my everyday companion this season. It's soft, structured and has that vintage charm I love. I carry everything in it, my journal, crystals, camera gear, and it still feels light and effortless. I actually filmed a what's in my bag video earlier this September, so if you're curious about what I bring with me during cozy autumn days, you can check that out too. So this mug is my daily companion. It's handmade, slightly imperfect, but it fits perfectly in my hands and it works with coffee, with herbal tea or a cup of ceremonial cacao. It's just love the shape of this. It's beautiful and so well made. It's a small ritual that brings me joy every single day. And as a bonus right now I'm using my Gilmore Girls cup. It says smells like Gilmore season and I think it's so much fun. But this is my really go-to every day. Nothing says autumn like Gilmore Girls. The cozy town of Stars Hollow, the witty banter, the coffee at Luke's. It's really my comfort show. I rewatch it every fall and it always reminds me to slow down and savor the little things. Favorite episodes? Definitely You Jump, I Jump, Jack and the Bridge dinner. That's a good one. This wool yoga mat is more than just a surface. It's a sanctuary. Made from natural, undyed wool, It's warm to the touch and grounding beneath my body. I use it for slow moments, breath work and quiet rituals. It holds space for whatever I bring, whether it's clarity, confusion or simply the need to pause. There's something deeply comforting about practicing on a material that feels alive, earthy and soft. It reminds me that the body is sacred and that slowing down is a form of devotion. I really believe music is like medicine, and of course, look at this. So this playlist is full with folk music, cozy autumn songs, jazz and different sound, and I really hope you will love it. It's perfect for having coffee, for journaling and rituals and so on. So you can download this. I will leave a link down below in the description box. So cozy. I really hope this music will help you, that your home feels like a sanctuary. Really place to just enjoy yourself. So if you like more seasonal playlists, please let me know. I would love to create like seasonal soundtracks just for you. Crystals are part of my seasonal toolkit. In autumn I reach for smoky quartz, carnelian and labradorite. Each one holds a different kind of wisdom. Smoky quartz help me stay grounded when the world feels fast. Carnelian sparks creativity and warmth, especially on grey days. And labradorite, it's my stone for transition. Mystical, protective and perfect for inner transformation. I keep them on my altar, in my bag or simply in the palm during journaling. They are not just beautiful, they remind me to stay present, open and aligned with the rhythm of the season. Okay, so last but not least, this might be the most important one of all of them, and that's learning to say no more often. Autumn always remind me to slow down, to get connected with myself, to conserve energy and really honor my boundaries. So say no is like a spiritual practice, and it's one that I'm learning right now, how to say no with grace. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, for me to sharing some cozy moments with you, and I hope I really could inspire you to live more intentionally and more soulful life. So do you like content like this? Come on, subscribe, and let's build this little community together. Until next time, and remember, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are. And I love you. Bye bye.